Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nori, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my very first BOXYCHARM BOXYLUXE. And today I'm going to determine if this was worth the extra $25. Yeah, that's right, this box cost me $50. And yeah, this is my first time ever trying it and I cannot wait to see what's inside. Okay guys, so let's get right into the unboxing. Right before that, I know most people know what BOXYCHARM is, but just in case you didn't know, I am subscribed to the base box, which costs $25, and you get 5 full-size makeup or skincare products with a promised value of, I believe, $120 or $125. And every 3 months, you're given the option of upgrading to a Luxe box, so you pay an extra $25, which brings your total to $49.99, and you get, I believe, it's about 8 to 9 products. So I hope you understood all that, but let's see if it was worth it. I'm a little bit nervous, but the box is definitely heavier than it usually is. I've only received the base box before, and here you can see right here is BOXYCHARM Luxe. And here is this month's card. So this month's theme is glam vibes only. Pretty cool. And I have variation 22. And in case you wanted to know, my box weighed 3.1 pounds. I was tracking it on FedEx for weeks. And yes, variation 22, the weight is 3.1 pounds. And oh my gosh, everything in here just looks so exciting. Just a peek. And I did forget to mention, I believe the BOXYLUXE is guaranteed at least a $220 value. I know that some of these boxes of these BOXYLUXEs were up to $500, so we'll see how much mine is valued at. The first thing that I got is this ice roller. It just says ice roller. And so according to this is the Kitsch ice roller. This ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for the best results. And it retails for $18. I've never heard of this, but it's pretty cool. I'm down to try it, definitely. The next thing that I got was the item that I picked. We were given the option of picking 2 items. I only chose one because the rest of them I wasn't interested in, so I let them choose for me. And the one that I chose is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So it's an exfoliator. It looks like this. It looks like that. And I've heard great things about Kate Somerville products. I've never tried them before, but I have dry skin, so I'm definitely down to try an exfoliator. So that's the reason why I chose it. And this retails for $85. That's crazy. I hope it definitely helps my dry skin for that much money. So yeah, $85 for that. The next thing is the eyeshadow palette. I was trying to leave it for last, but I can't take it anymore. So I got the Hip Dot Zion palette. I know there were a couple choices. I really loved the other one, the Queen, that had the blues and pinks, but this one is really pretty. This is the packaging. I cannot wait to play with this. This is honestly really cool for fall. I love burgundies. And you have some pretty neutral shades, but some colors for fall, definitely. I'm very excited to play with it. So this is the Hip Dot Zion eyeshadow palette, and it says, and this palette retails for $30. Very pretty, not bad at all. So if you're interested, definitely subscribe because I'll be doing a look on that. I've been trying to do more makeup videos with what I get in my boxes. The next thing that I got is from Fenty, and I'm so excited for this. This is the packaging. It's a Fenty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. This is so pretty. The packaging is so eye-catching. super pretty. And this is, I'm so happy that I got these shades. I know they had some that were like very colorful, which I wouldn't mind if you use them like as eyeshadow toppers, but I really wanted something like this. And I'm glad it's more wearable, you know what I mean? So I tried to swatch them for you. Oh my God, you see that? That's so pretty. I am very excited to use this, and just the whole compact is so cute. I'm very excited about that. So the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter retails for $36. Very nice. I love when I get brands that I recognize right away. The next thing that I got is this Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss. And so I got the shade Honey. It smells really good. Honestly, I'm excited about this gloss because I normally wouldn't go for a gloss this color, but I should totally use this. Why not? It's so pretty, it smells so good, and I need to change it up. I always act like I'm gonna, you know, get different color lip products, but I end up going with the same, especially in glosses. So I'm excited that I got this, and it's something that I don't have in my collection, so I do like that. And the Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss retails for $16. Pretty cool. The next thing that I got is so cool, like I haven't heard about this. It's from Milk Makeup. And it's a Melatonin Overnight Serum, an overnight solid serum that rejuvenates, hydrates, and calms. So you wake up to visibly bouncier, smoother, more refreshed looking skin. And this retails for $36. I am so excited to try this out because sometimes I struggle with insomnia. So first of all, the packaging, the like purple is so pretty. And if it really helps with that, oh my gosh, I would love it. That's very cool. I've been really sticking to following my nighttime skincare routine, so I'm definitely going to incorporate this into it, and I hope it works out, and I'll definitely update you guys in a future video. But this really excited me, and like I said, this retails for $36. So that would be so cool if that works. The next thing, oh my gosh, this is the one thing that I really wanted, and it's from Pure Cosmetics, and it's a brush set. This is Pure, the Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set, and it retails for $49. When I first saw this online, I said, I don't really need a travel set. Any kind of brush is fine. Like, people were saying that, oh, it's so cool that you can travel with it. And I was like, oh, why? But once I got it, I don't know, I imagined myself traveling with it. Like, it's really cool. You get all these brushes. Ooh. You don't only get face brushes, you also get eye brushes, which is really cool, and I'm so excited to try this out. I'm obsessed with brushes right now, and I feel like I can't keep up with washing them. So yeah, definitely very excited. And did I say this retails for $49? So I'm super excited to try out these brushes. They're definitely very pretty, very girly, and perfect to just put in my makeup area. But yeah, I'm so happy that I got it. So the last thing that I got is so different. It's a 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask 5-pack. It's the ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. And it retails for $135. What is that? This is how it looks. I cannot believe this retails for $135. Diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten an even skin tone. I am definitely going to try this out because for $135 it needs to do something amazing, right? So yeah, I'm very excited to try it out. That was the last thing there. I definitely will update in a future video because this has to do something to your skin, right? I mean, there's 5 in there, so I hope that with 5 is enough to make a change. But okay, just a quick recap. I got the face mask, 5-pack face mask for $135. Pure Cosmetic brushes, Kate Somerville exfoliator, Persona Cosmetics lip gloss, Fenty Beauty highlighter duo, Milk Makeup overnight melatonin serum, I think this is called, an ice roller, and this gorgeous eyeshadow palette from Hip Dot. So yeah, I got my 8 items, and honestly, everything is amazing so far. So I added this up and the value came up to $405, and I only paid $50 for it. So let me see, was it worth the extra $25? To be honest, so far, yes. These things I wouldn't have picked out myself, but like I know these brands, like they're recognizable, and I feel like there was a good variety, at least in my box. There was a good mix of makeup and tools, as well as skincare, and I'm glad that I chose this myself. So the mask, I really think for at least this month, this is my first BoxyLuxe ever. I really think that a $25 extra was worth it. To be honest, I have an idea of some of the base box options, and I've been following it, and I was a little disappointed because September's base box was amazing. I've been following it on Instagram, and honestly, I was really impressed with the base box for this month, but I am not disappointed at all with my BoxyLuxe $405 value. Wow. I'm definitely going to be doing more videos using these things in the future, so keep a lookout for that. Okay guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this part, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you got BoxyCharm, what you got in your box. Do you have premium? Because I've been thinking about subscribing to premium, but I'm not sure yet. Also, do you want to see a makeup tutorial using this palette? Because I'll definitely do that. I have a makeup tutorial coming up soon with this eyeshadow look that I created today. So if you want to see that, then definitely subscribe so that you don't miss out. Follow me on Instagram at NoriLovesBeauty. Give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you liked it, so I can make more like this. And again, subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. Bye guys.